Alright, so now that we've got our 1 here, I'm going to rewrite this as y is equal to, and I think I'll just use a bracket. So we have x squared plus 2x, we got a blank here, plus 8. So what do we put in the blank? This 1, right? And of course it's a plus 1. Then we write a minus 1 outside. Now I'm going to alright, so start parentheses, x, we take half of this, so that leaves us with 1, squared. Then we take this number here, put it here, so 8 minus 1 is 7. So we're going to put a plus 7 here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and distribute this negative. So we have y is equal to the negative x plus 1 quantity squared minus 7. Alright. So our vertex is this number here and the minus 7. So vertex is going to be 1, negative 7 is our vertex. Alright, I think I said the vertex was 1, negative 7, but remember if this is a positive here, it's going to be minus. Okay, so that's something we got to keep in mind. Okay, so negative 1, negative 7 is the vertex. Alright, this next one's going to be a quiz question. And see if you can get this. We've got y is equal to negative x squared minus 12x minus 40. So you try to find the vertex and then come back, check back the video, and I'm going to actually write the answer right here. Okay, so pause the video and you try to work it out. Alright, so that's the answer. That's going to be the vertex. Alright. Okay. We have y is equal to negative 2x squared minus x minus 1. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to factor this negative 2 out. So factoring out the negative 2, we have x squared, and then this will be a plus x over 2, and that becomes a plus a half. Alright, and I'm going to actually use a bracket here. So we have x squared plus x over 2. We need to find what the blank is, right? And then plus a half, and figure out what we're going to write there. And of course we do that, finding this blank out by taking this number here, which is a half. Well, first we take a half, then we multiply it by a half, and then of course we square it. That's what we've been doing previously. So that becomes 1/4. So this becomes 1/16. So we are going to put a 1/16 here, and of course it's plus and then a minus 1/16. So we have y is equal to negative 2. Alright. So we're going to have x, and then we take, remember, a half of this number, which was 1/4, so plus. Okay, so we're taking a half of that number, so a half and a half is 1/4. And of course that's squared. Now we need to go a half minus 16th. So let's do a little side work here. That's going to be, what is that, 8 over 8. To get a common denominator, so that'd be 8 minus 1 over 16, so that'd be 7/16.